Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you are all doing good at your place. This is Ramesh Sharma, and today I am going to start a new series on accountancy, class 12, one mark solution. So, let us start. One mark solution series MCQs with Dr. Ramesh Sharma, accountancy class 12. In this series, we shall discuss some questions on the basis of true, false. Question number 1. Under NPO, sale of old newspaper is shown as an income. You have to say that is whether it is true or false. The right option is true. ये क्यों true है? By selling the old newspaper, amount is credited to income and expenditure account. Thus, it is revenue receipts and treated as income. Next question. Sudhir and Bhuvan are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They decided to share future profits equally. On the date of change in profit sharing ratio, profit and loss account has a debit balance of Rs 50,000. It will be adjusted in partners' capital accounts by passing the following journal entries. Sudhir's capital account debit 30,000, Bhuvan's capital account debit 20,000, to profit and loss account 50,000. Now you tell me that it is true or false. So it is true, and the reason being it is true because profit and loss account debit is shown on the asset side of balance sheet and is then accumulated loss distributed among old partners in old profit sharing ratio. So Sudhir's share is equal to 50,000 into 3 by 5, that is rupees 30,000, and Bhuvan's shares rupees 50,000 into 2 by 5, that is 20,000. So this is the reason. Next question. Large customer base results in higher valuation of goodwill. Whether it is true or false, true. The reason, if a customer is large in size, then they demand more of good and ultimately goodwill of that product increases. Next question. Partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Is it true or false? It is true. The reason is it is one of the essential characteristics of partnership that it is a relation between persons who have agreed to share profits of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Next question. The claim of workman compensation is less than workman compensation reserve at the time of admission of a partner. The difference is workman compensation reserve and claim will be transferred to capital accounts of the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true because a claim is more than a reserve, then for the deficit revaluation account is debited. Question number next. Two factors affecting goodwill are efficient management, repeated customers leading to higher sales and profits, thus it leads to higher value of goodwill. It is true because management if efficient, leads to higher profits and thus increase in the value of goodwill. Similarly, repeated customers leads to increased sale and thus higher profits increase in value of goodwill. Next question. At the time of change in profit sharing ratio, the combined shares of all partners remains unchanged. It is also true because at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, the combined shares of all partners remains unchanged because their share may change but their total share remains same. Next question. Gaining partners always compensates sacrificing partners. It is false because partnership is governed by the agreement among the partners. Partners may agree not to receive compensation for sacrificing their shares in profits. In the event sacrificing partner decide not to take compensation for the sacrificed share, gaining partners or partners will not compensate the sacrificing partner or partners. Thus, it not always that gaining partners or partners compensate the sacrificing partners. Income and expenditure account shows transactions of revenue nature for the accounting year. It is true because income and expenditure account is a nominal account, the net result of which is either surplus, excess of income over expenditure, or deficit, excess of expenditure over income. Next question. All partners' consent is required to admit a new partner. True, because a partner can be admitted into partnership if the partnership deed exists and it has a clause for admission of a partner. In other case, the Partnership Act 1932 prescribes that a partner can be admitted into partnership with the consent of all the partners. Next question. Surplus or deficit of a not-for-profit organization is added to or subtracted from accumulated fund. The answer is true because general corpus or accumulated fund is an unrestricted fund since it can be used for any of the purposes of the NPOs. Surplus earned can be spent by a NPO for any of its objects. Thus, it is credited to accumulated fund. It comprises of opening balance, which is increased by the surplus for the year and decreased by the deficit. Next question. In the event of change in profit sharing ratio, general reserve existing in the balance sheet is transferred to capital accounts of partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Is it true or false? It is true because general revenue existing in the balance sheet is transferred to capital accounts of partners in old profit sharing ratio because it is set aside out of the profits earned by the firm. The profit sharing ratio had changed had these profits distributed and not set aside to general reserve. Each partner would have received credit in their old profit sharing ratio. Weighted average method of calculating goodwill is useful when profits are similar in all the years. Is it true or false? It is false because weighted average method of calculating goodwill is used when profit shows a trend because profit of latest years indicate the profit of the firm is likely to earn in coming years. Next question. Relationship between the partners is of senior or subordinate. It is false because according to the Partnership Act 1932, the partners are principals and agents of the partnership firm who acts on the behalf of the firm. ANPO has a match fund of rupees 1 lakh and match expenses of rupees 40,000. Match fund and match expenses will be shown in liabilities side of balance sheet. Expenses being deducted from fund. Is it true or false? It is true because match fund is a specific fund and fund amount is more than expenses. Therefore, expenses will be deducted from the fund and balance amount will be shown in the liabilities side of balance sheet. Next question, as per accounting standard 26, both purchased and self-generated goodwill are accounted in the books of accounts. It is false because according to AS 26, only purchased goodwill is accounted in the books of account. Self-generated goodwill is not accounted as its value is subjective in nature. A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits or losses in the ratio of 3:5 with effect from 1st April 2019. They decided to share profits or losses equally. Due to the change in profit sharing ratio, A sacrifice will be 1/8. So is it true or false? It is false because the ratio among the partners is 3:5 and the new ratio is 1:1. So change in profit sharing ratio is shown here 3/8 minus 1/2 and in case of B 5/8 minus 1/2. So there is a gain in case of A and there is a sacrifice in case of B. So that is because it is false. Admission of a partner means reconstitution of a firm as existing agreement comes to an end and a new agreement comes into effect because of the admission of a partner. It is true because a reconstitution of firm takes place when there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Admission, retirement or death of a partner because new terms are agreed among partners and fresh partnership deed is entered. As a result, old partnership comes to an end and new agreement comes into effect. An advance receipts of subscription from members of the not-for-profit organization is a liability. Is it true or false? It is true because subscription is the amount received by NPO from members to keep their membership alive. Subscription for the year, whether received or not, is credited to income and expenditure account. Subscription received in advance is subscription for the next year or years what received before it is due. Thus, it is liability in the year it is received. Question number 20. In the absence of provision in the partnership deed, interest on loans given by the partners is allowed at a rate of 6%. It is false because if the partnership deed is silent on allowing interest on loan to the partners, the provision of the Partnership Act 1932 shall apply. It provides that interest on loan shall be allowed at a rate of 6% per annum. So these were some questions on the basis of true and false. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe this channel and keep on watching, keep on learning. बच्चों, COVID-19 is in its extreme position. So get free access to various resources and learn at home. अपना ख्याल रखिए. Thank you very much.